A step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a hexagon using an inscribed cycle method. So if you want to achieve that, you first of all draw a reference line. So now once you draw a reference line, you now open your pair of compass to a convenient radius and you now pick a point that will be your center. So this is my center. You now draw a complete cycle. Now once you draw a complete cycle, you label this point as your point A. Here is your point B. Now to draw a hexagon using an inscribed method, you're now using that same radius. You stand at this point, you cut an arc up and below. You now proceed to this point, you cut another arc up and below. So the last step is to join all the lines together. So this is a step-by-step on how to draw a hexagon using an inscribed cycle method. If this is helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.